Here are 5 things that you need to get started in the forex market as a professional trader, not just a trader, but a professional trader. Number 5 is the most important out of all of them. Number 1, you need knowledge, like you need education. You need to understand what is forex, what are these charts, what is microeconomics, what is fundamental analysis, what is technical analysis, so that you know how do we combine these to do the forex market, how do we profit from the market, what are the terms. They are different when you come to the world of forex trading. You're going to hear many ones. That's why you have to pass through the introduction. You have to start from a kindergarten until maybe you graduate to college. You need to get started there. All right. Number 2 of what you really need here, you need a bigger screen. You need a PC, you need a laptop. And even before you start the educational part, you need a laptop, because some of things I'm going to display, in case maybe you choose me to teach you, I'm going to be using laptop. I'm going to tell you we do this practically. Like when I'm teaching my student, I normally tell them, open the chart with your laptop so that I can teach you practically. I don't teach theories, I teach practical. So in case you want to get started as a professional trader, to understand these things very easy, you need a good PC, you need a laptop. So, and we are really living in a world where someone needs a laptop, right? Number 3, you need a reliable broker. A broker is a platform that connects you with the market. Let's say currencies to trade. You can actually trade commodities. Actually, do you know even you can trade oil? You can trade wheat. You can trade sugar in the forex market. Yes, but definitely this is not really forex, because when you are trading commodities, you are not a forex trader. I really like to call it online trading, because when you talk about foreign currencies, we are talking USD, JPY. Those are the pairs that you can trade in the forex market. It's really amazing. It's really big market where we trade silver and gold and all those commodities. You need a good broker that is going to offer you with that with a small fee. So there are different fees that you get charged, but at least you need a reliable broker that charges you a small fee of that. The other point is you need money. Right? You don't need, you can't get started as a professional trader. You need to get started like $100, $20. In the forex market, especially in this era where the market is very volatile, that means the market is moving fast. If you're going to use $100, you're going to blow it. Like, I mean, you're going to lose it very fast. So blow means that you're going to, like, kaboom. You see how the bomb comes and then blows them. The buildings and all that. That is what you call blowing the account. Like, for example, with just blinking your eyes like that, your $100 is gone. Your $100 is really gone. But you know, sometimes you can make even from $100 even to $10,000. It's very possible in the forex market. But as a professional trader, you need good capital. And what is good capital? Really, you can get started at least with the 1,000. At least if you have some education things that you can make some sensible money here in Kenya. Let's say minimum of $1,000 at least. That is really going to help. Go beyond, accumulate even more amount of money in your trading account. And the last point is you need a mentor. A mentor is someone who will guide you, like a teacher, someone to teach you. Even after maybe passing through education, you need someone to mentor you. Every sector you need really a mentor. It's like how we normally people have spiritual mentors. You need someone to show you, someone who has passed through all these things. Like, for example, there are some people who have chosen me to be their mentor, and that means, with my experience of 8 years, I can tell them, avoid trading at this station. At the same time, when these things happened, probably 2020, there's something really happened, and avoid, if you see something like this, that guidance of a mentor to tell you, you're doing wrong, this is not what a profitable trader does. So that is why you need a mentor. So before you place that trade up, you buy and sell, make sure at least you have at least all those things before you get started. This is really serious before you get started. If you want to get this business right, if you want to get as a professional trader, make sure that you follow me on all social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere at Dan Forex. You're going to learn more. Bye bye.